Hey, my name is Jeremy. I'm a brand identity designer from Sydney, Australia. I've been in the industry for over 7 years now, and I want to share everything I've learned so far about creating a brand identity from scratch. I work with a lot of small to medium-sized businesses all around the world, and I help them with their visual identity to make sure they differentiate and stand out in the market. I'm going to share with you my whole process, as well as shortcuts, tips, and tricks on how to deliver a brand identity project from scratch. I'm going to show you my process from all the way from the initial consult call, some tips on how to do a discovery strategy session, then going all the way to creating, stylescapes, a logo design, bringing that into creating distinctive touch points for the brand, and then bringing it all the way to pre-production and delivering the final files to your client. I'm going to share with you tips on how to present your work, how to create amazing mockups in Photoshop as well, and also some other ways on how to speak with your clients, ask the right questions, as well as create visually appealing designs that's going to create a deep impact. For the class project, I've created 3 creative briefs that you can choose from, and you're going to actually pick one and create a brand identity from scratch. This is going to be a great way to actually be practical and learn the skills that I'm teaching in this class. Each brief is a little bit different than the other, so you can pick one and you're going to have super fun creating that identity for your class project. If you're a beginner, a designer, or just a creative person that wants to learn the brand identity process, then definitely enroll into this class. It's going to be super amazing, and I'm super excited on what you're going to create in this class. Let's jump into it, and I'll catch you in there.